Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's topic is banner design. So let's start and do some banner. First of all, I'll fix my thumbnail and then I'll start the banner design. So let's start. I'll change this color. Sorry, I think yeah, I got it. I change this color. Change this color. This choose color I will change, which will be which will be the yellow color. I'll take yellow here. I think yellow will be the perfect. Then this these two will be the um, black. Black will be the perfect here. Okay. Then I'll make here yellow. Yellow. I'll make here yellow and yellow, and then here I'll edit, which will be the which will be the banner design. Banner design. Then I'll fix here this thing. And then I'll save it down. Yeah. Then I will export it as PNG format. Always take the PNG format because PNG format is the perfect for high resolution. I replace it with the post, and now go to the file menu, then select the new page, and it takes sometimes. So just wait. Yeah, got it. Here you can see for the banner design you have to take 1280 into 420 pixels. So select this template and create a artboard. Here you can see how I make a artboard. So now I'll make something new, different things, which will be the X. We'll make it which 36, 36 no 72. 72 will be the perfect. Yeah, 72, 72. Yeah, these things is more switch. So I will make it. No, now I will cancel it. Now No. No. Okay. I think this is perfect. This is perfect for design. Now I will. mm, okay, it's okay, but uh, it's okay, and I will make a copy of it. Make a copy of it. Then um, okay, here, yeah, this is perfect here. Sorry, and I will. Yeah, okay. Now you can see here. I will change its color, which will be the yellow. I will take yellow here because yellow is my favorite color. I will decrease the opacity. Yeah, this opacity is good, and you can here make something new. So this is the banner design. This is the design of background, total background of banner. So you have to mind on it. Then, and you can see here, you can write down here many things which you want, which one you want. You have to write down here, write down here. Then you have to, and you can change this color also, color too, which will be the green. I'll take it green, turn it green. Oh, it's also nice. It's also nice. And this is the today's video's topic, and I'll show more things about banner design, flyer design, or so many things on the next class. So till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you all. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you.